Alright.
Big fish.
Everyone, we are officially at Bamboozle.
Not so close.
We are officially there. Are you so excited? Are you so excited?
If I get it.
Are you so excited? Excited face! We're at Bamboozle! Oh my god.
Joe, show your excited face.
Ah!
Do it better.
I can't do it better.
Yeah. Excited face.
Oh my god. Mikey, say something about your happiness right now.
I'm so happy.
How happy are you?
Happier than you.
No.
Eating cheese off of Adam Lazar's penis.
That was dirty.
That was sweet.
Come here, baby.
Alright, I'm done. Bamboozle. Oh, 7. Don't even think about it.
07.